जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Our Vice Chairperson Ritu Ma'am to kindly welcome our guest with the sapling, a symbol of growth, prosperity and new beginnings.
I now request our Vice Chairperson Ritu Agarwal Ma'am to kindly deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning to everybody. I know we've called you all very early to watch the children. We call the children also early. But we so proudly say that there are going to be 2,000 children performing in these 2 days. So we have to keep the shows back to back, so that it's not a very long time that you have to sit here and not a very long time for the children to be backstage. But we proudly say that every parent supported this recital that we've planned for our children to showcase whatever they've learned at school. So this is not the annual concert that you see every alternate year. This is the recitals that you would see in the school. So instead of the school, when we saw our children performing so well, we thought we should give them a better stage, a better area where you can see them properly and they can take the feel of the stage. And hence we are here at Guru Dakshina to showcase our children. So don't judge them for whether they have been able to do or no. They've just been learning this at school. So maybe some do very well. Some may just, because they are just learners at the moment. So just enjoy that they've got a platform to showcase, enjoy the confidence that they are going to build on, and enjoy the passion that they'll be following. So Antaram, a Sanskrit word, means the inner essence or the deep connection that is within. Antaram, where every child's heart speaks. So Antarang is not just a recital, it is the heartbeat of our children. A space where their emotions take flight through music, dance and drama. It is where confidence is built, dreams are nurtured and every child finds their voice. At Wisdom High International School, we firmly believe that education goes beyond textbooks and classrooms.
The recital is a shining example of the philosophy as our students take the stage to showcase the diverse skills they have honed throughout the year. Performing arts is a very essential subject in a child's education for his holistic development. So I really request all the parents to also not get into the rat race that my child should know everything. Let the child know what he enjoys. Let him just follow his passion. Let him just feel good about what he's doing. We try to put them for 10 classes. We feel that, oh, his 3 to 4, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. is not doing something. Let us get him occupied. But lot of study at the Harvard School also reveals that unstructured play, unstructured timings, where there are no instructions given, is very important in a child's life. When they are in school, they are instructed to do certain things. When they come home, we as parents are instructing them. When they are going for classes, again the people out there are instructing them. So what are we making? We are just making followers. So let us not make them followers. If you remember, when we were kids, there was an idle time where we used to find our own play, our own passions to follow. We would search for how to not get bored. So we're not giving them chance to search for their own skills, search for their own time. Let us do that. That's very important in today's day. Children need to build on their social skills, need to find their own passion, and need to, very, very important, that find what they want to do. So do not put them into all these kind of facilities and, okay, one sport, one instrument, that's it. Let's not put him, aaj ye class, kal wo class, parso wo class. Let's not do that. Because the child is confused. What am I liking? Am I liking something or no? He's not getting free time. So can we all promise each other that we'll give some free time for a child just to be by himself? I want a yes from all of y'all. Great. So as our students take the stage today, I invite you all to sit back, soak in the energy, and enjoy this wonderful celebration of learning and expression. Let's cheer them and applaud not just their performances, but the incredible journey they have embarked upon. This is our moment as a school and parent of the child to stand together to celebrate our children and to witness the magic that unfolds when they are given the freedom to shine. Let us come together as a school, a family, to celebrate the spirit of our children. Let's witness the beauty of their expressions, the depth of their emotions, and the power of their dreams. Because when a child is given a stage, they don't just perform, they shine. Enjoy the performance. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom. Let the magic of Antarang unfold. Prepare to be enthralled as our students bring forth performances that will touch your hearts and stir your soul. So our children are ready. Are you ready? Yes! A little louder. Because they are ready here. Yes. So we begin.
It's so peaceful and creative. It feels alive, doesn't it? Yes, Maya. This must be how Shantiniketan looked. A space for learning, music and art. They say it was Rabindranath Tagore's dream to make education feel like this. Maya, you know Rabindranath Tagore, right? Of course, Aryan. He was a poet, musician, playwright and the first Indian to win Nobel Prize for Literature. But did you know he also believed that art and academics should go hand in hand? That's true. He created Shantiniketan, a school where students could learn under the open sky, surrounded by music, poetry and art.
Welcome, children. I am Rabindranath Tagore. In my time, I dreamed of a world where learning was not just limited to books. I believed in nurturing the soul through arts, music, and culture. So tell me, children, what brings you here to my Shanti Niketan?
We want to learn how you combine art and academics. Why was it so important to you?
It was not a choice, but a necessity. Education without art is like a flower without any fragrance. But there was a time where schools focused solely on academics, forgetting the spirit of creativity and expression. In your time, Wisdom High International School stands out for preserving this balance, celebrating both art and academics, nurturing the mind and the soul of its students. Art teaches us to feel, to express, and to understand the depths of humanity. And what better way to begin than with young voices trying to find their rhythm?
That's just like our early school days. We remember how our teachers boosted our creativity from a young age. Hey Aryan, do you remember the Kathak performance we learned? Of course I do. Shall we revisit that performance together, please?
Lead the way, my little friends.
Yes. Let's begin from the very start of our journey, presenting the young souls of grade 5 performing their very own Kathak performance.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे।
So, I'm amazed at how a song can feel so meaningful. Who would have thought?
That's the beauty of art, Aryan. It has no boundaries. It changes with time, like a river flowing through different landscapes, nourishing each it touches.
But doesn't modern art sometimes seem to forget tradition?
A tree may stretch its branches towards the sky, Maya, but it only survives because of the roots. Tradition is that root. It gives us strength, identity, and balance.
But don't roots stay hidden? It's the branches and leaves we see and celebrate.
True, Aryan. But a tree without roots topples in a storm. Art without tradition is like a lamp without any oil. It may burn briefly, but offers no enduring light.
In school, they always taught us that art is a gift passed down through generations.
And it must remain alive, Maya. Each devotional song sung, each sculpture carved, each story told. They're not just creations, they're conversations with the ones who came before us.
I guess it's more than just songs and dances then. It's about preserving our voice as a people.
Yes, Aryan. Through tradition, we understand who we are. This next performance by our grade 5 is a devotional instrumental performance. It's like a bridge connecting you to the devotion of the generations past, reminding you that divinity resides within the simplest expression of the heart.
So, it's like a treasure we carry forward. What a beautiful thought, sir! A treasure that grows when shared, like the song we're about to hear. Let's go, sir!
Children, Do you hear that?
Yo, what? Sir, there is no music.
Ah, but there is. Every moment carries a rhythm. The wind moving through the trees, the rustle of leaves, the soft beat of footsteps on earth. Music surrounds us, even in silence. And that is the essence of instrumental elegance.
I never thought of it that way, sir. But isn't music more powerful when it has words? Something to guide our feelings?
Words have their place, Aryan. But sometimes the purity of sound can touch places within us where words cannot reach. Imagine the strings of a violin gliding and the delicate notes of a flute. Each note, an emotion, each pause, a reflection.
It's like how in our music lessons they taught us to focus on the sound itself to feel the instrument.
Exactly. Your school is ensuring you understand that music is a language beyond borders. It has no boundaries. Each note, each pause, they reflect a story.
That reminds me of when we learned the true magic of instruments. It wasn't just music, it was hope and unity. It was like the whole class felt it together.
Yes, Aryan, music has the power to unite and inspire. That is why it is so essential for schools to teach the arts. They shape more than just your minds, they shape your souls.
I think grade 5 is performing another instrumental concert now, right? Yes, let's watch. They're keeping the legacy of what we learned alive.
Then let us celebrate their melody, their message, and the dreams they weave.
Wasn't that wonderful, parents? So there's a lot of energy this side. What about this side? Yes, because we are in this together.
As it sings through the trees. Have you ever noticed how the morning sun sketches patterns of light on the ground?
I've noticed it, sir, but I don't think I've truly understood it. It's beautiful, yes, but what more is there?
That beauty, my dear Aryan, is where art begins. When we observe and express these wonders of nature, we create a connection. an unspoken language that resonates in our hearts.
So, art is like telling nature's story?
Yes, Maya, every rustling leaf, every sound of the wind, every drop of rain carries a message. When poets and artists observe these moments, they turn them into expressions of love, gratitude, and awareness.
But why is it important to express this, sir? Isn't it enough just to admire nature?
Admiration, Aryan, is just the beginning. But expression through art, maybe by a song, a dance, or a painting, it creates awareness. It tells the story of nature. It reminds us to nurture it, and it reminds us of our duty to protect it.
It's just like the performance the students of grade 1 are about to do. They are using their voices and movements to show their connection with nature, aren't they?
Yes, and their song and dance, they tell the story of nature and remind us of our duty as its guardians.
Come on, Aryan, let's take our seats and join this beautiful journey.
So parents, you must have seen they are looking for you. So another round of applause for them. That was grade 1D for y'all.
To retro music.
retro? Like old stuff? Black and white movies? Songs on gramophones? My grandma's idea of fun?
Precisely. Retro art is not just old stuff, it is a window to a world where simplicity met elegance, where emotions spoke louder than technology, and where art was created to connect minds across generations.
But why does it matter now? Everyone is talking about AI music, futuristic cinema. Why to look back when we have so much ahead?
Ah, Maya, progress is a journey, not a replacement. Retro art reminds us where that journey began. It tells the tale of an India that was still evolving and finding its voice and rhythm.
But we are living in an era of change. Isn't it better to innovate and move on?
Innovation is essential, dear Aryan. But without roots, even the tallest trees fall in the first storm. Retro art reminds us where we came from. It embraces our culture.
The lyrics, the emotions.
Yes, and that is what makes those old Bollywood songs so special. They tell a story of an India where everyone was free. So, let the journey in old Bollywood days begin. Let's go, children.
no matter where they come from?
Maya, that is because art is the voice of humanity itself. It doesn't know boundaries. It exists beyond languages, cultures, and lands. That is why, when you listen to music from one corner of the world, it resonates in the hearts of another.
But how does art do that? How can something created in a faraway place touch us so deeply?
That is because art tells the story of being human. A song from the West, a dance from the East, or a poem from the heart of India. They all capture universal emotions: love, sorrow, joy, and awareness.
Like the threads of beautiful fabric?
Yes, Maya, exactly. Art is the universal knot, tying every culture together.
That's so much like what our school teaches us. It's not just academics. We learn to see the world as one.
And that lesson, Aryan, is one of life's greatest. A person who sees the world as a whole cannot be divided.
So, art makes us more connected and compassionate?
Yes, Maya. Art tells the story of being human and alive. It is the joy and it captures the joy and sorrow that are within us.
That reminds me of the next performance. Our friends from grade 2E have prepared a Western dance. But I feel like it belongs to all of us now.
Yes, Aryan, that's the beauty of shared expression. Let us celebrate their song then.
मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। अरे मलदे सूरज के मुंह पे मलाई, बुड़बक बादल पे कर दे चढ़ाई। खोले किताबें करे हम पढ़ाई, पानीपत में हुई थी लड़ाई। सुनो सुनो दिल की सुनो, डरो नहीं शेर बनो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। अरे बदमाशियों से जरा बाज आओ, थोड़ा किताबों से भी दिल लगाओ। विद्या कसम हम पढ़ेंगे दबा के, मगर तुम भी देखो किताबों से आगे बढ़ो, जरा आगे बढ़ो, लिखा नहीं जो वो पढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। ऐसे हवा में जो उड़ता फिरेगा, मंडे को टीचर का डंडा पड़ेगा। हाँ, ऐसे हवा में जो उड़ता फिरेगा, मंडे को टीचर का डंडा पड़ेगा। क्रिकेट का मैं करूँगा बहाना, कैंसल है मंडे को स्कूल जाना। जिद मेंटेन करो, चढ़ो माउंटेन चढ़ो, डरोगे तो ठेंगा मिलेगा। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब। पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे खराब, जो तुम खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब। thought. What's on your mind?
Aryan, I was thinking about the nature of dreams. You see, a life without dreams is like a sky without any stars, empty, devoid of light to guide us.
But are dreams always practical, sir? What if they're too big?
Dreams are meant to be boundless, Maya. It is not the size of the dream that matters, but the courage to pursue them.
Is that why you started Shantiniketan, sir? Did you dream of changing education?
Yes, I wanted to create a school where learning was not confined to walls, but flowed like a river, free, intuitive, and full of meaning, just as your school has done here.
That reminds me of something we have learned at school. Dreams are the seeds of tomorrow's reality. Yes, and that's why we are always encouraged to think big and imagine new possibilities.
Yes, dreams may demand hard work and perseverance, but they bless us with joy and meaning. Let's witness a dreamy world come alive by the dance performance by 2E. Let's go.
Absolutely, sir. So let's watch and remind ourselves how dreams can inspire change.
शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बारी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए So, I wonder, isn't there a risk that blending tradition with modernity could dilute our heritage?
Aryan, let me tell you a story. I once observed a young artist painting a beautiful old tree. He blended the greens with bold streaks of blue, giving the tree a new sky to grow into. Some criticized it as unnatural, but I saw a harmony that honored the roots while reaching for the future.
So, you are saying tradition isn't lost in modernity, it evolves?
Yes, Maya. Think of tradition like soil, rich and enduring, and modernity as the rain that nourishes it. Together, they allow the seeds of art and culture to blossom in ways our ancestors may not have imagined, but would still celebrate.
I never thought of it that way, sir. Tradition and modernity aren't enemies, they are companions.
Well said, Aryan. At your school, you learn science and literature, art and technology. Aren't they also meeting and blending, shaping new horizons for you?
Yes, and I realize that's what learning here makes so special. We are rooted in our culture, but not afraid to dream big.
And just like that, grade 2A dance performance embodies that blend modern rhythm with the essence of Bollywood.
Precisely. This next performance will embrace us with its beauty. Let's go and watch it together.
Deep in the jungle, in the land of adventure, lives Tarzan.
I am Jane and I love to ride an elephant.
My name is Tarzan, I am Jungle Man.
The treetops swinging from jungle land.
Come baby, come, I will take you for a swing.
Let's go, honey, I'm tinkling. Tarzan is handsome, Tarzan is strong. He's really cute and his hair is long. Tarzan is handsome, Tarzan is strong. So listen to the jungle song. Oh, yo, 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 yeah.
I am Tarzan from jungle, you can be my friend.
Oh, yo, 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 yeah. I am Jane and I love to ride an elephant.
When you touch me, I feel funny.
I feel it too when you're touching me.
Come to my tree house, to my party.
Yes, I'll go if you carry me. Tarzan is handsome, full of surprise. He's really cute and his hair is nice. Tarzan is handsome, Tarzan is strong. So listen to the jungle song. Oh, yo, 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 yeah.
I am Tarzan from jungle, you can be my friend.
Oh, yo, 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 yeah. I am Jane and I love to ride an elephant.
Go cheetah, get banana, hey monkey, get funky.
Swing along, Tarzan.
Go cheetah, get banana, hey monkey, get funky. Yeah,
Tarzan is handsome, Tarzan is strong.
me Tarzan,
He's cute and his hair is long.
long hair.
Tarzan is handsome, Tarzan is strong. So listen to the jungle song. Oh, yo, 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 yeah.
I am Tarzan from jungle, you can be my friend.
Oh, yo, 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 yeah. I am Jane and I love to ride an elephant. Oh, yo, 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 yeah. Here we go.
Go cheetah, get banana, hey monkey, get funky.
Oh, yo, 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 yeah. I am Jane and I love to ride an elephant.
And so they got funky. But will Tarzan have Jane? Stay tuned.
So, children, we have already traveled to the jungle along with you. Dear parents, we are sure you are enjoying the recitals and are spellbound by the performances of our learners. We take a moment now to invite our esteemed guest, Vidya Hari Deshpande ma'am, to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Namaskar. I know this is a very awkward time to talk because all of you want to just watch the performances of your children, and so am I. I also want to watch more of the performances, but I thank Wisdom High International School for inviting me. When I got the invitation, I was not aware that it's my birthday. And I told Nilafar ma'am that, okay, 20th, okay, I'll be there. because I was traveling when she called me. And then I realized that, oh, it's my birthday. But then I thought that it's a boon, because what else you want on your birthday? I could come here, touch the stage, which is my God, and watch such wonderful performances. I think this is not a presentation of performance, it's a workshop. Because whatever they have learned throughout the year, they are just trying to put it together on the stage, which is important, yes. So, 2-3 things I would like to say about it. Whatever we say is like हमारे गुरुओं ने जो हमें बोला है, वही हम आप तक पहुंचाते हैं. My guru, Pandita Rohini Bhate, she once told me, देखो विद्या, किसी का परफॉर्मेंस पहली बार देखो तो अपना मन मत बनाओ कि अच्छा है या बुरा है, क्योंकि आर्टिस्ट इवॉल्व होता है. कल और अच्छा हो सकता है, परसों वो और अच्छा होगा. तो कभी भी ये मत बोलो कि अरे यार उतना अच्छा नहीं था या बकवास था, क्योंकि सामने बैठ के कमेंट करना बहुत इजी होता है. Just, I don't know whether the school does this or not, make the parents do a performance on stage once, and then they'll realize what it takes to be here at least for 2 minutes. It's like 2 hours. 2 minutes निकलते नहीं है जल्दी if you're not good at it. So you have to rehearse. So I request the school to have parents get together and a performance, and I'll come to witness the performance. Because कुर्सी पे बैठ के ये बोलना बहुत आसान है कि अरे इससे अच्छा हो सकता था. Secondly, आप जब परफॉर्मेंस देखते हो तो ज़्यादातर नेचुरल है कि आप अपने ही बच्चे को देखते हो, और फिर आस पास वाला अगर कोई उससे अच्छा कर रहा है तो आप घर पे जाके उसको डांटते हो कि वो कितना अच्छा कर रहा था, वो कितनी सुंदर कर रही थी, तुम क्या करती हो. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट, एनकरेज देम. क्योंकि आज वो ठीक नहीं किया, शायद गलती किया, लेकिन उसको सुधारने के लिए इफ यू अप्रिशिएट, एक्नॉलेज, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मे बी ही विल बी बेटर. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, लाइक राइट फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड, आई एम जस्ट सीइंग इट कि we are told what not to do. We are never told what to do. ये मत करो, इसको हाथ मत लगाओ, यहाँ मत जाओ. Everything is don't. Tell them what to do. भाई ये जरूरी है, सब में निगेशन है हर जगह. और स्पेशली मैं भी एक टीचर हूँ, इसीलिए कह सकती हूँ कि पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चों पे हावी हो जाते हैं कि ये तुमको नहीं करना चाहिए था, तुमने ये क्यों नहीं किया, ये उसने कैसे किया. Why do you compare your child with someone who is average only? किसी आइडियल से कंपेयर तो नहीं कर रहे हो ना, दूसरे के बच्चे से कंपेयर करते हो, तो नेचुरली वो हर्ट हो जाते हैं. और आज गलती करके शायद इसमें से कोई ऐसा बने आर्टिस्ट जिसको विजडम आए, फिर चीफ गेस्ट बुलाए. यू नेवर नो, maybe he has done a mistake today. So encourage them. मैं मेरे कमलाकर सोनटकी जी, मेरे गुरुजी थिएटर के, he once told me कि one performance is equal to 2 years of learning process. 2 साल आप जो सीख रहे हो वो 2 मिनट आपको सिखा देते हैं, क्योंकि आप प्रेजेंट कर रहे होते हो. सो इट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू लर्न एंड प्रेजेंट इट ऑन स्टेज. बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है. सिर्फ आप घर में ही नाचोगे, घर में बाथरूम में गाओगे तो कौन ही सुनेगा, और गलत भी करोगे तो कौन आपको टोकेगा. पर यहाँ टोकेंगे. लाइक वॉट एवर आई फेल्ट little things that should be improved, I'm going to tell them because I'm here for that. It's not just a chiefless thing. So वो चीज़ अगर मुझे लगी, जैसे मैंने तो अभी स्टेज पे ही बोल दिया ना कि पेरेंट्स को नचाओ, पेरेंट्स को गवाओ, तो इट्स ऑल स्ट्रेट. और एक मेरी बच्ची थी जो आज कल बहुत अच्छा कर रही है. शी हैज़ हर ओन इंस्टीट्यूट. बहुत बेमन से आती थी क्लास में टिल द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ 10th. सेकेंड क्लास से लेके 10th तक शी डिड नॉट लाइक डांस एट ऑल. शी वॉज लाइक, खेलने के टाइम पे मम्मा मुझे यहाँ लेके आती है एंड आई हैव टू मिस ऑल दैट फन ऑफ द इवनिंग एंड आई हैव टू बी हियर. एंड शी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, whenever I took her on stage, every year I used to do that, she always had this face, you know, why am I doing this? I don't know. And in 10th standard, the parents, she was a bright student, so the parents said ki now it's a board exam, another Hawa. What is it? It's just an exam, just like all other exams. No, this time it's boards. Stop other things. अभी कुछ नहीं, कल्चरल कुछ नहीं करना है. Concentrate on your studies. How can one concentrate on studies by doing nothing else? They should have something जहाँ पे वो रिलीफ फील करे. उनका ब्रेन कितना काम करेगा. धन पढ़ाई कर करके बाद में एक टाइम ऐसे आ जाता है कि पूरा सीखा हुआ भूल जाते हैं क्योंकि कोई रिलीफ ही नहीं है. म्यूजिक एंड डांस, लाइक मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर तो सब बोल चुके हैं कि म्यूज़िक क्या क्या करता है, क्या नहीं करता है डांस की वजह से, तो उसके बारे में बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पर दे नीड अ रिलीफ. 10th स्टैंडर्ड माने क्या है भाई, क्या ही कर लेंगे. 2 मार्क्स कम आ गए इससे उससे, तो क्या वो हार गए हैं? नहीं. एंड फेलिंग इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू लर्न व्हेन यू फेल. वो मेरी एक स्टूडेंट है जो आज बहुत बड़ी संस्था चलाती है और इट्स 10 years दैट शी इज टीचिंग, लाइक कैरिंग माई लेगेसी. शी यूज्ड टू कम टू क्लास टिल 10th with like, you know, I don't want to. When she stopped the class because the parents said कि 10th standard, now you're not allowed to do anything else but study. And she realized that she's missing out on something. जितना बेमन से वो आती थी उतना वो क्लास को मिस करने लगी. एंड व्हेन शी पास्ड विद ग्रेट मार्क्स, शी टोल्ड हर पेरेंट्स दैट आई वांट टू परस्यू डांस एज माय करियर. एंड दे वर लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, नो दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग शी इज डूइंग, बिकॉज इतने अच्छे मार्क्स मिले हैं. शी वेंट टू द आर्ट्स कॉलेज टू टेक द एडमिशन एंड द पीपल देयर सेड, ओ विद सच ग्रेट मार्क्स व्हाई आर यू कमिंग टू आर्ट्स? क्यों आर्ट्स में दिमाग नहीं लगता? ज़्यादा लगता है. बिकॉज देर आर नो बुक्स विच यू हैव टू फॉलो. इट्स ऑल प्रैक्टिकल एंड वर्बल. वो दिमाग में रखना पड़ता है, आँखों में रखना पड़ता है, कान में रखना पड़ता है, दिल में रखना पड़ता है. ये सब जो लोग नाच रहे हैं किसी किताब में लिखा है क्या? जो गा रहे हैं कैसे गाना है, कैसे बजाना है, कैसे नाचना है, ये किताबें तो नहीं सिखा सकती. इट इज़ ओनली गुरु एंड द स्टूडेंट. तो जो भी बच्चा आज इस योर प्रिविलेज की स्कूल्स में इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहे हैं कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ को, हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था, लेकिन मेरे स्कूल ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब स्टेज पे ले गए हर चीज़ के लिए. मेरी आवाज़ गाने में अच्छी नहीं थी फिर भी ग्रुप सॉन्ग में ले लेते थे क्योंकि सारे बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते थे और मैं रेडी रहती थी किसी भी एक्टिविटी के लिए. तो इसीलिए मुझे हर आइटम में लेते थे. मेरा स्टेज फियर क्या होता है मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि स्टेज फियर नाम की कोई चीज़ भी होती है. इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ माई स्कूल. सो I'm really proud that Mr. Mahar is doing such a wonderful job. It's not an annual function of the school. It's only representation of the extracurricular activities that the students are doing, and only those parents are here. I think you are the ones who should tell others that भाई किसी भी एक विधा में अगर अपने बच्चे को डालो तो at least he is going to be a good human being for sure. वो क्या अचीव करेगा इस फील्ड में करेगा या नहीं करेगा is not important. He is going to be a good human being for sure, and I guarantee it. And I thank मेरे बर्थडे पे इतना बढ़िया गिफ्ट मुझे आज मिला है that I can't think of anything better than this. Thank you.
A round applause for all the dance and music and extracurricular teachers who have come up with this great function. And आप तो एक session attend कर रहे हैं ना? They are going to have 8 sessions. So 16 hours of cultural programs, and it's amazing. So thank you all the teachers, and I should also thank the parents who have, all of you, who have made it and allowed your students to do some cultural activity in their life. Thank you.
A special mention here, along with all our teachers who have been training our students, we also have our alumni who has come in to train the children with drama. So these characters of Tagore, Amaya and Aryan have been trained by our very own student, Prathamesh.
I request our CEOs, Varsha ma'am and Nilofer ma'am, to kindly felicitate our guest.
From next year, for sure, we would be having their annual concert only for the parents. So the students, they would be sitting in the auditorium and watching the parents performing. Thank you very much. So let's move further.
Sir, that performance was so full of life. I could almost feel the dance in air.
That's the beauty of dance, Aryan. It's not just about the steps. It's the joy and beauty they bring into the world.
But sir, why is joy so important in art? Can't art be meaningful even if it is sad or serious?
Ah, Maya, joy doesn't mean absence of sorrow. True joy lies in understanding life as a whole.
That's really powerful, sir. I never thought about it that way.
Let me ask you both something. What do you remember most vividly about your school days?
Running across the field during recess and dancing with friends at cultural events.
And making silly moves during those inter-school competitions.
Exactly. The moments you freely expressed yourself, moved freely, are there in your minds forever, unhindered by fear and judgment.
That's so true. School taught us not just academics, but how to find happiness in small, meaningful moments.
And how to share that happiness with others.
Yes, Aryan Maya. Let us witness this next performance and celebrate every moment of it.
What are they performing, sir?
It's a celebration of life, a reminder to embrace every moment with joy.
Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Maya, did you hear the last performance? The way they danced was mesmerizing. But I also love how Western music makes everything so dynamic and fresh.
True, Aryan. But I still wonder, should we follow our traditional music or embrace Western influences?
My dear children, music is not a battle between two worlds. It is like a bridge connecting them. Remember, a river does not choose between its banks, it embraces both the sides.
So, you are saying that both should coexist? Like two colors in a painting?
Precisely. A voice trained in Indian classical can soar deep with emotion, and a touch of Western techniques can bring in new expressions. Why should we choose from one of them when we can learn from both?
That makes so much sense. So, as we see grade 5 performing tonight, we are not just singing old traditional songs or new Western songs, but carrying forward a tradition while embracing new musical expressions.
Yes, let your voices carry the past, present, and the future. Sing not just with technique, but with your soul.
West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like the breeze. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road. Miners, ladies, taken to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky, misty days of moonshine, lit up in my eyes. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road. I hear a voice in the morning and she calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away.
Ah, Aryan, Maya, today you stand at crossroads with tradition and creativity. Both paths, the old and the new, are roads to self expression and growth.
But Tagoreji, we have been practicing Western dance for this program. We have heard it's different from what we have learned before. Is it really important?
Yes, Maya. Think of it like painting with the body. Each step of your foot, each movement you make with your arms, each twist of your body, it speaks a story you want to share. Western dance has different forms, sometimes energetic and wild, sometimes calm and graceful. Yet, each tell a story in its own rhythm, just like the stories we share with words.
So, even though it's new to us, we must embrace it with our hearts and show what we feel.
Indeed, Maya, with each beat of your foot and each wave of your arms, let the world see what joy and passion are within you. That is the heart of dance, no matter which form it takes. Just like what we are going to witness by the next performance of Grade 5. Let's go.
मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम पूरा चांस है 3, 2, 1 दिल में मार्स है क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है दिल में मार्स है उड़ने की प्यास है दिल में मार्स है ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम स्पेस मंगलम शटल मंगलम कूल मंगलम स्वैग मंगलम हैक मंगलम टैग मंगलम प्रेम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम काउंटडाउन मिशन मंगलम ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम टेलीस्कोप डायरेक्ट स्वाहा ਖੜੀ ਅੱਖ ਦੇਖ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਆ ਲਾਲ ਸੂਹਾ ਰੰਗ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਚੋਰੀ ਚੋਰੀ ਸੰਗ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਰੰਗ ਹੁਣ ਛੱਡ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਸੰਗ ਮੰਗਣਾ ਕੀ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਸੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ ਗਿੱਚੀਆਂ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਤੋਂ ਆ ਜੁੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਖੰਗਦੀ ਨਾ ਦੁੱਕੀ ਨਾ ਹੱਥ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਮੰਜੀ ਠੋਕਦੇ ਆ ਸੁੱਕੀ ਸੁੱਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਲਹਿਰ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪੜਦੇ ਆ ਪੈਰ ਫਿਰ ਮੱਚਦਾ ਆ ਗੈਰ ਪੈਰੀ ਪੈਰ ਭੁੱਲ ਦੇਖੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੀਵੀਂ ਜੀ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਬਾਈ ਇੰਚੀ ਦੇ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਆ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੀਵੀਂ ਜੀ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਬਾਈ ਇੰਚੀ ਦੇ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਆ ਗੱਡੀ ਨੀਵੀਂ ਜੀ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਬਾਈ ਇੰਚੀ ਦੇ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਟਾਇਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਹੀ ਤੋੜ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆਕੜਾਂ ਨੇ ਭੋਰ ਬੜੀ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਨੇ ਨਾਰਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਸੱਚ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਚੋਰ ਜੱਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਲੱਗਾ ਬੱਤੀ ਬੋਰ ਡੱਬ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਹਨੇ ਚੋੜਕਾ ਦੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਲੋਲ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਤੋੜ ਜੱਟ ਵੈਲੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਵੈਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਲਗਾਉੜ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਅਸਲੇ ਦੀ ਤੋੜ 24 ਘੰਟੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਆ ਯਾਰ ਲੱਗੇ ਘਰ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਅਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਵਪਾਰ ਕੁਝ ਬਣੇ ਕਲਾਕਾਰ ਰੱਖੇ ਅਥਰੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਆਟੋਮੈਟਿਕ ਆ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਕਰ
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. Feel buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, 'cause gonna do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, learning is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in and sing in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica, here I am, a little bit of you makes me your man. Mambo number 5. Jump up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the sound, put your hands on the ground. Take one step left and one step right. One to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. And if it looks like this, then you're doing it. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica, here I am, a little bit of you makes me your man. Trumpet. The trumpet. Mambo number 5.
Wow, wow, wow. Every beautiful journey must find its conclusion. But the essence lingers on. As we draw the curtains on this mesmerizing morning, it is time to express our gratitude. A heartfelt thank you to our distinguished guests, our school leaders, our talented students, and their dedicated mentors for bringing this vision to life. We extend our deepest appreciation to the parents, our ever supportive audience, for encouraging our young artists in their creative pursuits. With that, we bid you all a pleasant day, hoping that the artistic impressions of Antaranga will remain with you long after tonight. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. I request every one of you to kindly rise for the Vande Mataram. Request you not to move. Please stand for the Vande Mataram.
वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्